Chapter. I'm the president of Business Technology Partners. First of all, we are one of the original SYSPRO resellers in the U.S., and our business is built around the SYSPRO practice. We have our entire staff is dedicated to SYSPRO, and we've been selling and supporting it since the mid-90s, supporting over 140 clients. Obviously, we've got a lot invested in the SYSPRO partnership, and it's been highly successful for our business. Well, one, we believe in the boot camp. We think that it's an excellent resource that SYSPRO's provided for us, and it's mandatory for all new employees here to go through that boot camp. We've done it both on the sales side, and we've done it on the implementation consulting side, and our people come back from it and they've got just a wealth of knowledge. They've built relationships in addition to the education that they're getting as a result of it. So it's been fantastic for us. Well, great friendships for one, but that aside, from a business perspective, it's been great to have a resource like SYSPRO, a partner like SYSPRO, standing side by side with us through good times and bad, and they've been a fantastic partner for us. They've supported us through our growth. They've helped us to better our position in the marketplace. And we found them to be a partner that we can rely on, and that's very important to us. Absolutely. I mean, they're a true partner for us. We can get a hold of them pretty much 24/7, and in fact, there are times when I've actually gotten a hold of them on a 24/7 basis. But we find everybody at SYSPRO to be accessible, from upper management to line level employees, and they've been there for us on weekends, holidays, after hours, when we've had support issues that we need their assistance with, and they're there. So it's been fantastic. Well, we think that SYSPRO offers incredible value for our clients, and to watch it evolve over the years, and we go back to the early days of the product, and to see where it's come in the last 15 years has been just incredible. But it's also been very natural. It's kind of a natural progression, and we felt that SYSPRO has offered our clients that have been with it from the beginning just incredible value. They've been able to leverage the new functionality in SYSPRO with really little additional investment, and we've watched businesses grow from startup to public companies. So it's all running on this platform. So it's been great. Well, we've seen the growth. It's been going on since the beginning of our relationship with SYSPRO, and we see the new technologies that are planned for release going forward as being again, natural direction, and we feel that our partnership with SYSPRO is just going to get stronger as time goes on. So we're looking forward to that new technology. We think that SYSPRO is a resource for us, is a technical resource for us, is going to make that growth that much easier, and they've proven that over the years.